You might be wondering why I paused the video at this moment. If you think something bad could happen, you'd be right. I am about to get hurt. If you're curious what happens in this video, make sure you stick around. Like, subscribe, and click that bell button. Ding!
Okay, let's go.
Welcome back, guys. Dylan here with DBR Technologies with a speed run of my PC setup for the new studio. I also got a quick trivia question for you guys. What does Wi-Fi actually stand for? Make sure you stay to the end of the video to find out the answer. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoy. DBR Technologies out.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame. Yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad. I won't obey. You cannot tell me what I cannot say. I'm here to last, so yeah, I'm here to stay. I'll live each second like my final day. You can't take that away. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Okay, guys, as you do, I had to make sure my baby got all dusted up before I went into a brand new little brand spanking new spot. So, got one of these guys. Super powerful blowers. 300,000 RPMs. I can leave the link down below in this video if you want one. It's on Amazon, 30 bucks sometimes. It goes on sale even more, so let's get to it. And we're gonna pop this thing open and blow her out. Also, if you have made this far before I'm actually talking to you, drop that subscribe button and click that like if you made this far. I really do appreciate it. Y'all really appreciate you guys right here. Alright. Oh.
You might be wondering why I paused the video at this moment. If you think something bad could happen, you'd be right.
That's a spot. Alright, let's go for it. Whoa, okay, there it is. Okay, I'm gonna have to pre-dust in here again. Also, make sure when you do dust the computer, you do dust the power supply being switched off. If you can find electric and not functioning with this much power. Can't say I didn't warn you. Oh, nice and clean out here. Woo! Get that bad boy all cleaned up. I haven't cleaned it pretty much, so.
4 months, 5 months. Honestly. 'Cause I think it was 5 months ago that I put this graphics card on there. Woo! Woo! Nice hair dryer. I did say on the ad that I could use this thing as a hair dryer. Woo-hoo-hoo! Okay, enough of that. Back to the show.
I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast.
Now, if you watch this far, you probably already know exactly what happens. You saw the beginning. Yeah, I get hurt. I should have took a break at this point, I'll admit, but what's the fun in that? So, if you made it this far in the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below that I made it. And with that being said, let's continue, and thank you all for the support. I deeply appreciate it. Can't wait to show you this end result. Now at that point, like I said in the beginning, I will leave you to the end.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns.
Alrighty everyone, we are finally wrapped up with this beautiful piece of art. You can see me right there, put my chair up there. I'm all excited. I am super stoked. I'm so happy that I'm finally done. I look tired, but man, I'm proud of myself. Look at that beauty. I don't have any words for it. Like, I'm just gonna show you real quick what the actual like whole setup here looks like. I got my mic. I can show you some close up to my keyboard that you didn't see very well in the video earlier. But like, Look at that bad boy. That is such an amazing thing. I was so proud of myself. I was so tired after the end of this, but it's alright because hard work pays off, guys. This is my absolute favorite setup. Favorite thing in the whole studio here. Like, currently I don't think I'm going to be able to build anything comparison of what this is. I love it. It's beautiful. But as I promised, I'm going to give you the answer. What does Wi-Fi actually stand for? The truth is, Wi-Fi doesn't actually stand for anything. The word Wi-Fi is not an acronym for Wi-Fi fidelity like you think, but a marketing term coined by the branding firm Intern Band for the Wi-Fi Alliance. It was created as a catchy, memorable name that played on the terms of high five, high fidelity, suggested a high quality wireless experience. The term was deliberate marketing choice to make the technology accessible to the public, and later, in addition, the standard for Wi-Fi fidelity was compromised that ultimately caused confusion. Honestly, that's I have noticed seems to confuse lots of people. I just wanted to quiz you guys to see how good you were, and if you knew that, fantabulous, good for you. If you'd like me to go into that a little more further and why and the story kind of thing, I can make a YouTube short dedicated to the definition of Wi-Fi and going into the story. We can do that. If anybody else has further questions. But with that being said, guys, I'm going to leave you here. I am so glad that you stayed to watch for this whole setup video. I am so proud. You can see me waving my hands. I'm so happy. But with that being said, this is Dylan with DBR Technologies, and we hope to see you in the next one. See you guys.